I didn't want to be sat at a desk all day, I wanted something a bit more hands-on, and it's quite fun learning skills. They apply to a lot of other stuff in life as well.
2 people in the world building the classic style, and we're the only people in the world building a vinyl jukebox. People expect these to be coming from America, not from Crossgates. So we shock quite a few people with the products that we manufacture.
When I mention it to people, the reactions are just, they don't really believe it at first. And they see it and they're like, well, one of the coolest things I've seen.
When I started at Sandler's, I was quite a shy person, but just being around people and being given more responsibility as I kind of came out of the shell, and I've got a lot more people skills now, I can talk to people a lot easier.
As the years have gone by, I've learned all different types, and that's all down to the company that's trained me to do it all. The experience I've got now is immense.
I think anybody who's at the age now where they're looking at what they want to do for the future needs to seriously look at manufacturing. Just a great opportunity to go out there and do something different.